It's about time. Time to pause. Time to revisit our lifestyles. Time to look back at traditional ways of life to ensure complete well-being. Ayurveda, dating back to several millennia and steeped in well-researched knowledge, provides just that wholesome well-being. The very essence of Ayurveda is brought to you by the Arya Vaidya Pharmacy. The Arya Vaidya Pharmacy, established in 1943, has over the decades manufactured about 450 classical Ayurvedic medicines that includes arishtams, churnams, legyams and more that treat several complicated ailments. The Arya Vaidya Pharmacy Limited, Coimbatore, is the flagship company of the AVP Group. Since its incorporation in the 1940s, it has grown in reputation as one of the leading entities in the field of Ayurveda. The company is headquartered in Coimbatore with a pan-India network of doctors and sales and distribution network. The management of the company is headed by Shri P.R. Krishna Kumar, son of the founder of AVP, Shri Rama Vaidya. Possessing a vision as broad as his father, Shri Krishna Kumar has dedicated his life to the promotion of Ayurveda. For his tireless efforts towards the promotion of Ayurveda, Shri Krishna Kumar has been conferred the prestigious Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. The AVP Group over the years has expanded from Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing to the field of treatment centers, education and research, and manufacturing of Ayurvedic equipments to ensure high-quality products, practitioners, and services. Ayurveda is never a quick concoction of herbs. Real Ayurveda is steeped in ancient research and science, a thorough understanding of human anatomy. What started out with manufacturing Ayurvedic medicine is today a complete institution. Going beyond manufacturing, the AVP Group now manages and runs world-class treatment centers. It has rejuvenated Ayurveda through education and research and has welcomed technology and new ideas to manufacture, innovate and develop Ayurvedic equipment to produce high-quality products and services. The deeply ingrained twin values of commitment to quality of care and purity of treatment are the distinguishing factors of AVP. The Arya Vaidya Chikitsalayam and Research Institute, AVC, the main treatment facility of AVP, took roots in 1957. Located in Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, the AVC has evolved into one of the finest Ayurvedic hospitals renowned throughout the country and internationally. The AVC is an ISO 9001-2008 certified institution known for its compliance to the demanding international quality standards. In the context that Ayurveda is still to establish its relevance amongst the international community and beyond borders, this certification puts AVC and Ayurveda as genuine alternative to mainstream medical approaches to treatment and cure. In India, AVC has partnered with Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, and the World Health Organization, WHO, for research on efficacy of Ayurvedic treatment in rheumatoid arthritis. The Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India, has recognized the institution as a scientific and industrial research organization, SIRO. Research has always been AVP's backbone and strength right since its inception. The AVP Research Foundation, known initially in its formative years as AVT, Institute for Advanced Research, was established in 2003 as a research department under AVC and became an independent, not-for-profit research institution. It was registered in 2012. New product development, biotechnological studies, conducting courses on request from colleges and universities on biosciences. Accelerated and real-time stability study of products are among the other R&D activities of the company. Along the way, in its journey of 75 years of selfless service, awards and recognitions have come and energized the institution. They have inspired and motivated AVP to continue its quest for healing with care, concern, and sensitivity. AVP looks at the holistic approach to its ambience too. That's why its surroundings and settings have the elements of serenity, nature, spirituality, and comfort built into them. The AVCRI Ramanathapuram campus is famous for a unique Dhanvantari temple and attracts patients from all over the world. The Arya Vaidyan P.V. Ramavarya Birth Centennial Ayurveda Hospital and Training Academy, located at the foothills of the Western Ghats, are picture perfect in their serene, unpolluted, picturesque environments. It is a chosen destination of many foreigners with interest in learning and treatment. Official tie-ups with Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Switzerland, and Latvia to conduct academic and research activities in Ayurveda is taking it from shore to shore and door to door. AVP Baltics was registered in 2015 in Riga, Latvia, with an aim to promote Ayurveda in European Union, with the Baltic countries as the base. This will bring India's time-tested, time-honored alternative to other approaches of healing and to the alleviation of suffering of humanity at large. AVP boasts of a fully equipped, state-of-the-art manufacturing and production facility at Kanjikode, Kerala. Its newest facilities are ISO 22716-2007 certified and designed to meet the World Health Organization's GMP standards. It produces nearly 500 authentic classical formulations, blending the best of tradition and modernity. All products adhere to strict quality control and assurance mechanism. AVP has nearly 600 outlets across the country, where all these medicines and expert clinical services are available. Our training facilities include short-term projects associated with MSc, MPhil programs of various universities in chemistry, botany, biochemistry, biotechnology, and microbiology. It also includes industrial training for BAMS and MD students with special sessions on QC aspects, projects on various industrial topics, herbs for MD students as part of their thesis, dissertation work are also undertaken, while other forms of medicines treat the symptoms. Ayurveda treats the cause. The result through diagnosis, wholesome treatment, and complete healing. What it means for you is holistic wellness and a life free of fear, anxiety, and stress. The Arya Vaidya Pharmacy provides high-quality formulations and base materials to institutional and export buyers. AVP has successful associations with leading players in the personal care category and high-end Ayurvedic products category. AVP currently exports to Australia, USA, Malaysia, Oman, UAE, Germany, Switzerland, Russia, Latvia, and other East European countries. AVP's products and treatments assure you a life that can be truly well lived. Come, begin a new journey with us.